Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings, and then go to Connected Devices or the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here you will see two buttons, Forget and Disconnect. So, to unpair it, you need to click at the Forget button and you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave it at the device list and reconnect them in the future, you need to select Disconnect. But let's remove them, so Forget and Forget. After that we can turn off them, so at the right headphone, at the bottom we have Power button, just press and hold until you see red LED light. Here we go, we just turn off them and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!